Imagine being a child, struggling to cope with debilitating migraine attacks that can strike at any moment, disrupting your daily life and leaving you feeling isolated and misunderstood. This is the harsh reality for many young people living with pediatric episodic migraine. But here's the groundbreaking news. The FDA has just approved Fremanezumab, marketed as Ajovy, as the first anti-calcitonin gene-related peptide, CGRP, preventive therapy specifically designed for pediatric patients aged 6 to 17 who weigh 45 kilograms or more. This revolutionary treatment offers a beacon of hope for families navigating the challenges of this condition. According to Chris Fox, Executive Vice President at Teva, migraines are a common yet invisible condition that can severely disrupt daily life for children and adolescents, often leaving them overlooked and misunderstood. The FDA's approval of Fremanezumab for pediatric use is a significant milestone, addressing a long-standing gap in care and providing a vital treatment option for younger patients. But what does this mean for the thousands of children and adolescents affected by this condition? To understand the significance of this approval, let's delve into the details. The expanded indication for Fremanezumab was based on data from the Phase 3 SPACE study, a double-blind, placebo-controlled, parallel group study involving 237 pediatric patients with a history of less than 14 headache days per month. The study's findings were remarkable, with Fremanezumab treatment resulting in statistically significant superior efficacy over a 12-week period compared to placebo, while maintaining a safety profile consistent with prior observations. But here's where it gets interesting. The study also subgrouped patients by age into categories of 6 to 11 years and 12 to 17 years, and found a significant reduction in monthly migraine days in Fremanezumab-treated patients, as well as a significant reduction in monthly headache days. Notably, a higher proportion of patients achieved at least a 50% response on Fremanezumab compared to placebo, with benefits similar across both subgroups and between boys and girls. As Jennifer McViege, MD, a pediatric neurologist at the Dent Neurologic Institute noted, pediatric migraine is a complex condition that can significantly impact a child's daily life, from school performance to emotional well-being. The approval of Fremanezumab offers an important option for clinicians managing this often overlooked condition, providing a targeted approach to preventive treatment that can help reduce the frequency of attacks in younger patients. But what about the potential risks and side effects? Fremanezumab is administered as a 225 mg 1.5 milliliter single-dose injection in a pre-filled autoinjector or pre-filled syringe, and while it was considered well-tolerated in the SPACE study, with a similar proportion of patients reporting adverse events relative to placebo, it's essential to acknowledge the potential risks, including hypersensitivity reactions, development of hypertension, and the occurrence of Raynaud's phenomenon. As we celebrate this breakthrough approval, we must also acknowledge the controversy surrounding the use of CGRP targeting treatments in pediatric patients. Some experts may argue that more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of these treatments on developing brains, while others may see this approval as a crucial step forward in addressing the significant unmet need for effective migraine treatments in children and adolescents. And this is the part most people miss. The FDA's approval of Fremanezumab for pediatric use is not just a victory for the patients and families affected by this condition, but also a testament to the power of innovative research and collaboration. As we move forward, it's essential to continue monitoring the safety and efficacy of Fremanezumab in pediatric patients, and to address the ongoing challenges in migraine diagnosis and treatment. So, we ask you, what are your thoughts on the FDA's approval of Fremanezumab for pediatric episodic migraine? Do you think this treatment will be a game-changer for families affected by this condition? Or do you have concerns about the potential risks and side effects? Share your opinions and join the conversation in the comments below.